I can't help it. I gotta make a quick video. So I added some more pieces. We spent probably all day, me and my dad, yesterday adding parts, which I thought we were basically done. We're not. We're a lot closer than we were. So yesterday we put all the clamps on the hoses, all the clips on the firewall for all those extra wires. There was little clips there that we found that also go on the inner fenders. We put the horns on. It's the little things that count, right? Got the horns on. We got the front grille put together. This was not an easy task because there's bolts that you have to kind of fine tune, and there's no instruction manual. So, you know, this piece, which is the front grille, goes under the inner fender, but on top of the outside fender. So little tricks. And then the lights, right? If you put the grill on too soon, you have to remember that there's a wiring harness back there that also needs to be connected before you start putting those bolts in. So we had to undo that twice. We added that piece, which is your jack. We added a couple more fittings to the radiator. What else? We added the hinges for the hood. We connected the alternator. What else? We still have to cut some of the wires for this guy right here. Can't think of the name right now. Got some more kickdown links connected that were not connected. This right here is a brand new bumper that we installed that we had. What else? On the inside, right, other than some of the chrome pieces that I had to put on when I did the carpet. Oops, it got dark. We have, this is basically it. There's nothing, we didn't do anything to the interior yesterday. I got an instrument bezel that goes on. That's also brand new that will be put on. We have a couple other little pieces that we need to add. But overall, man, this is coming together. We still have those two big pieces that need to be put on. The brake booster and the cooling lines. I felt like I said that a couple of days ago, and I was still far from done. Again, it was a good 5, maybe 6 hours we spent yesterday just putting all those pieces that I told you about. And you have to remember, we took this whole car apart and started painting some of the bolts, right? Some of these bolts got painted, so it looked a little bit newer. So here's my mess, but I got like baggies of bolts that I'm going through and trying to figure out where did they go. I still got some pieces that still go on the truck, brackets that we painted that go on. So it's been a lot of fun. I mean, at one point, this whole garage had all these pieces basically everywhere. I didn't think we were going to be able to put it back together. But again, the car hasn't turned on yet, so we still have that moment of truth. Hear it crank over and turn it on and get this bad boy on the road. Thanks for watching.